Well, new from the state capitol newsroom tonight, Governor Bill Lee is responding to questions about the COVID-19 surge in Tennessee. Hospitals are being pushed to the brink, and now COVID is spreading rapidly in some communities.
News 2's Gerald Harris joining us live from the Tennessee state capitol as emergency and critical care doctors plead with Lee to do something. Gerald.
Yeah, the governor did not introduce a new plan or strategy to combat COVID-19 and its surge currently happening here in Tennessee, although he says he's hopeful that the surge will come down soon. Tennessee is in a COVID-19 crisis as Omicron continues to spread and send patients to emergency rooms.
Hopeful that what happens in this surge will soon be over, but it is continuing to be a great challenge. This pandemic has for 2 years. Continues to be a challenge.
Despite the challenge, Lee is not delivering a specific plan to deal with the issue of record COVID infections.
We'll continue to work hard through our Department of Health to make sure that folks have access to vaccines, which we want to continue to encourage people to do. But we are navigating our way through this, and we'll continue to do so.
The Tennessee Department of Health decided to forego daily COVID-19 updates, opting for weekly reports, saying there were 13,503 cases per day last week with a 7-day positivity average of nearly 40%.
Really grateful for the frontline workers, the ER doctors, the healthcare workers that are continuing to operate under the strain. That's why I'm in contact with, as I said just yesterday, CEO of the major health system here in this state to say, how are you? Where are you? What can we do? How can we work together?
But ER doctors in Tennessee are asking him the same and for leadership. One doctor tweeting in response to the surge saying, "I blame Governor Bill Lee and the TNGOP for not doing more to encourage vaccinations and for destroying other public health protections such as mask mandates that would have kept people safe. Our state needs better leaders." And Governor Bill Lee says he has not tested positive for COVID-19 amid this COVID surge and says he has received his booster shot. In Nashville, Gerald Harris, News 2.